Property use restrictions, real quick. Remember the brouhaha in Oklahoma City last year? A lot of people are wanting to grow chickens. The city didn't permit them to have poultry in their backyard, and so they went to the city, and the council turned it down, but they inadvertently passed a law, I believe it was, on gardens and greenhouses that didn't address the chicken thing. And so it's legal, but it's really not. So it's one of those snafus. So what this article is saying, go ahead and do it while you have the chance. If you want to get some poultry, stick in your backyard. But there are ordinances, right? All right, this is from the ordinance of City of Ardmore. This is section 553. Talks about in order to have livestock in the city, you have to have 2 acres of property. That's a problem. My backyard's, 60 by 80. I'm out of luck. And you can only have 2. Well, I know good and well there's livestock all over the place in Ardmore. Just go certain parts of town. What I understand the situation to be. Anybody here with the city? Good. They're not going to say that if they... Typically what happens, and I think if you'll talk to the folks downtown, they'll tell you this, as long as the neighbors don't complain, nobody says anything. Because people want to use the property the way they want to. I mean, it's a whole personal property rights thing, right? And obviously there's reasons why you shouldn't have a lot of livestock in the backyard in certain areas of town, certain times of year. It stink. They make noise. But if done responsibly, hey, give people a chance. That's what people in Oklahoma City were arguing about. So anyway, here's the bottom line. Wherever you live, if you live in city limits, call City Hall, find out, get online if your town has a website, and check this stuff out. Ask questions. Also, buildings. We're going to have a lot of buildings as part of this food factory thing, right? Whatever they might be. There are ordinances in terms of setback. You can't just put something right on somebody's property line. There needs to be space. So think about that. And in Ardmore, number 5 there, it says accessory structures shall not cover more than 30% of the area. There are a lot of hoop houses that you can buy from that gentleman right back there that will fill up your backyard, and you'll love it. But technically, you would be in violation.